How to send scheduled messages on WhatsApp with SkedIt. Let's see how on Android, where the process is simpler. One of the most popular apps is SkedIt. You can easily find it on the Play Store. Once installed, simply register and grant the required permissions, including accessibility, which allows the app to send messages for you. After installation, open SkedIt and click the plus sign in the bottom right. Choose WhatsApp as the service. In the new screen, choose the schedule type, select the recipients, enter a title, and finally compose the message. Further down, set the sending date and time. You can also decide whether to manually confirm the sending or leave it automatic. The app also works with the screen off, but only if all permissions are enabled.